We got so many questions about the Flubot malware doing the rounds over the last few days that I thought I'd just install it on a spare phone that I have here. So this is what it looks like, installing on a Samsung, an old Samsung device. And once installed, you'll see a couple of things. It asks or it changes permission to make itself the default messaging app so that it can intercept incoming messages, but also so it can propagate messages to everyone in your address book and spread itself. Um, you do have to give permission here for it to use accessibility options or accessibility features. Straight away, you can see as the minute you hit OK, it's, put your PIN in, it starts changing stuff. You see these pop-ups. Um, you're going to see Corrata immediately detect traffic. Keep your eye at the top of the screen. You'll see a quick pop-up. There you go. And now look at the console in the background. Straight away, we start seeing malicious traffic from this device and a bunch of 0-day notifications pop up detected by Corrata and traffic blocked outbound from that device.